Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. Let's take a look at JCPenney, and we're using a 2-hourly chart here. And what we're going to be looking at in this video, trying to understand where we get this high and a pullback, where we get these highs and a swing trade opportunity lower, where we get this high and a swing trade opportunity lower, and also we can see where we got this high and a swing trade opportunity lower. So to understand this and to save time, there should be a link in the description of the video that brings you to an introduction to this method, which I call the Muathe uniformity. So take a look. There should be about 58 videos spanning many years of work, and I'm constantly adding on to these playlists. Anyway, take a look at JCPenney, and now what we see here is, if we try and understand what happened, you can see that initially there is a high here, which corresponds with this resistance area of the RSI, and we can see that there is also a short-term break here. What we can do is take that information and extend this line, and using the uniformity method, we see uniform activity rejection here, which gave us that high for a swing trade opportunity lower. We see resistance here, looks like a double top, which is that high there, which gave us another swing trade opportunity lower. We kiss this level, which is this highs, for another swing trade opportunity lower. And we can see here over the last day or so, we've had uniform activity above the line, back below it, for yet another swing trade opportunity lower. So we can see here that the uniformity method gives us one line. This line has been consistently giving reversal areas, good for areas in the chart where one would have taken a swing trade opportunity lower and see whether they can ride part of this profit or profitable move to the downside. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S. Woo! Yeah.